Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about period products. Sharing all of the things that I use for my period, not all the things, but the female component things that we use to manage our monthly cycle and our bleeding and all of that fun stuff. So if you are new to this channel, be sure to like this video, subscribe down below if you aren't already subscribed, join the Sharway crew over on Instagram. And of course, if you've been here before, you know the drill. So let's dive into today's video. So before we dive into reviewing the products today, which is the Veeda brand of tampons and sanitary napkins and pads and all of that stuff, let's talk a little bit about the fact of why we want to be using natural and organic tampons or any products in that area. We'll talk a little bit about why that's important. So if you are familiar with me, you know that everything that I do is very much natural and organic based. I really think it's important to be aware of what's in our ingredients that we're using in our food, our beauty care, our skin care, and especially things that are going near our delicate area or inside of them. So being really mindful and aware of what we're using and why we should be choosing certain brands over other brands. On my personal journey through trying to change into like more natural and organic with my period products, I did try the Diva Cup. I do use my Diva Cup at nighttime. I can do a full review video on the Diva Cup if you guys would like me to do that. Comment down below. So I do love Diva Cups. They're an amazing way to really reduce waste and reduce like the amount of stuff you're flushing down the toilet or putting in the landfill. So they're an amazing option and they're super good. However, I just find it's a lot of mess and a lot of busyness for me, and the short and skinny is that a tampon is just honestly easier for me. It's less pressure on my pelvic floor. It's just less problematic, which I can get into in another video. So if you guys want to know about that, I will talk all about Diva Cups, so comment that down below. So today I'm going to talk specifically about Veeda, the brand Veeda, which was founded by Hilary Duff, who is a celebrity, if you didn't know who she was, and also a few other people that are, you know, involved in the company, founded the company. So they were on a mission to create 100% natural, no chemical, no synthetic, no dyes in all of their tampons, pads, panty liners, all of that fun stuff. So the reason this is so important is because most companies that make tampons, they put dyes, sometimes fragrance, they are soaked in chemicals. So you can do your own research, look into that. I won't share too much about that, but I just feel that you shouldn't be putting a chemical soaked piece of cotton into your vagina. It's just me. I used brands like Tampax and Playtex for years. But honestly, for my personal body, I found that I felt less crappy when I used organic tampons. This may sound super strange, but maybe it's just the idea in your mind that it's better, or if it actually is better, which technically it is because there's no chemicals in these products. So I use specifically Veeda. I have tried a few other natural brands. The biggest complaint I have about natural brands is that they have cardboard applicators, which makes my brain want to explode. What? How do you slide cardboard that absorbs moisture in there? I feel the same way about the OB tampons where they have no applicator and you're just meant to jam it in there. I don't know about you guys, but I have trauma. I have issues in that department. So no, we're not sliding cardboard. Ow. I tried that one time because I didn't have a tampon. Got a tampon from somebody because when you have your period suddenly start, you need a tampon and you don't fucking care who gives it to you. But I couldn't get it in. I could not get the cardboard in. So I really love this brand because they are a natural organic brand, and yes, they have plastic applicators. So for my earth-friendly friends, yes, plastic is wasteful and it does go into your landfill. So it sucks. I get it. However, you got to compromise somewhere for products that work, and personally for me, plastic is the way to go because I need it to slide. So they have this is specifically the super super tampon box. So they come in different color schemes. So they'll all be like this kind of gray or beigey color, and then they'll have like a color coding for the actual like size. So they come in small, regular, super, and then super. And then they come in a little plasticky thingy, pretty standard for a tampon. I don't believe that these are biodegradable. So I guess that's the only flaw with this brand. I may be mistaken and maybe need to read my box more. But I do believe that you have to throw away the wrapper and also the packaging. Just reading. Yeah. Looks like it. But that's okay. The outside's recyclable, so it's fine. Alright, so they come in a cute little thingy. I'm not going to show you guys how to use a tampon because it's pretty straightforward. If you haven't used a tampon, we could make a video, but I'm not going to show how to put one in. I'm just going to explain how to put one in for my younger viewers. But this brand, I just really love. I have not been able to find a brand that offers plastic applicators for organic tampons. And also, there's not a lot of options out there. Like, I live in Canada. I don't know where you are from in the world. Let me know, comment below. But there's only really, like, NaturCare is the other big tampon organic brand. And I'm pretty sure they only have cardboard applicators. And you can find different brands at the health food store, but I've honestly not really seen other brands. Veeda is the only one that I've been able to find in person, and they're carried at London Drugs if you're looking for them in Canada. And you can also buy them on Amazon, which I just discovered recently because I don't know why I didn't think about that. However, doesn't matter. So the general price, you get 16 tampons per box, and you're getting, you're around $6 to $7 in that price range. However, London Drugs always has sales on these. I don't know why they put them on sale, but I won't complain. So yesterday I got them for $3.99 a box. So they were $3.50 off, which is amazing. So I bought 4 boxes because that's what we do over here. We just go over the top. They also make natural cotton pads. So these are like day use pads, all unscented, no fragrances, no chemicals. And these are really awesome. I'm not a pad wearer personally, but they do carry a variety of different things. So you can look on Amazon and see what you can find there. Often they have deals for like buy 3, get it for this price kind of thing. So I really like the pads. They're a nice little backup. I wear them sometimes if I just don't want to wear a tampon, or if it's just like a really heavy day. Sometimes you need both. So it just depends on your constitution, my friends. And then they also have panty liners, which are a cute little packet. I do, again, love that it's just all natural, no chemicals, because even pads are soaked in chemicals, like regular ones. Then you're like having your skin sit against these chemicals, which I just don't love. So the only just like thing I would say negatively about this brand is that I wish they would fix the sticky on these panty liners, just because the sticky isn't very good. So kind of like they lift and move and kind of bunch, and so they're not like the best in that sense. But I know they're trying to be as chemical free as possible. You can also buy natural like reusable panty liners and pads that you can wash. And you can also buy like the panty period underwear that absorbs period stuff, which I haven't tried yet, which I do want to try. So again, I would love to know if you guys have lots of things that you tried or you like things down below, because I'm always curious. I'm like amping up the game. I'd love to like get away from using reusable like waste. It's a waste at the end of the day. If you're trying to be more eco-conscious, it's hard to not be wasteful. But like, you know, I do everything right most of the time, but I can't get around washing pads and panty liners. It's just, they don't fit well. They don't work in my zone. I just don't have a lot of space there. So it's like, I just don't really enjoy having to like think about washing bloody stuff. If it's like dark underwear and I can't see it and it can go in the washing machine, I don't think I'd mind, but I just can't get around it. So maybe it works for you, maybe it doesn't. The Veeda brand also has overnight pads, which are amazing. Oh my god, I always feel like I have to wear like a diaper to go to bed if I wear like an overnight pad, and the Veeda brand is like, they're so thin, they're so comfortable. So like, again, I just really love this brand. I have not found a natural organic brand that has made me this happy or this excited, and it makes it a lot easier because your period is stressful and like painful, and there's all of the feels happening. And if you can just make part of that better, then I feel like finding a brand that you like is really the key. So this is what I use, what I prefer most. So Veeda, this is not sponsored by any means. I literally like just spend so much money on their tampons because I love them. So if you guys have other brand recommends, or you use this current brand, or anything you want to share with me, I'm always willing to do other review videos and try out different things. So comment down below, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe down below to my channel and join me on Instagram, because like you gotta know when the new videos are coming out, so stay tuned for all of that fun stuff. And with all of that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's review video on Veeda tampons and products, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!